This is an adult-only dessert. My friend TJ told me about it, and it is delicious. I don't normally eat Jello, and I really don't do Jello shots, but this was fun to make and delicious. So, what does it include? It includes orange Jello. It includes whipped cream vodka. There are many different kinds. We got Smirnoff, and some water. So, here we go. So, you take the Jello and put it into your bowl, your mixing bowl. You take 1 cup of boiling water and you stir the Jello until it's completely dissolved. Next, I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of the whipped cream vodka. 1, 2, 3, and 1/4 cup of cold water. Mix it again. And that's it. I'm going to let it cool for a little bit. So you can either leave the Jello in a container like this, or put it in a more decorative container and just serve it at the table right like this. Or you can put it into some individual serving pieces and everyone can have their own dessert. I thought this would be fun. I know it's not really the right glass for Jello, and it really could even be in a shot glass, but how fun does that look? Let me pop those bubbles. So what I'm going to do is put all of these in the refrigerator and let them congeal totally. My final step for making my creamsicle adult dessert is to take it out of the refrigerator. It is now firm. I'm putting Reddi-Wip on it. You can use real whipped cream. I'm all about making it easy. Decorate, serve, and enjoy.